Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank my God who gave me everything. And I would also thanks my honorable teachers who given me this opportunity to say something. How was my 1 month of learning English journey? First of all, I also thanks my best mates who inspired me, helped me to stand in front of you. I'm Taif. I'm come from Kumilla Cantonment, to be more exact, which is one of the most beautiful traditions and cultures in our Kumilla. As well as Kumilla is famous for sweets, we all know that it's called Rashmalai. I completed my higher secondary certificate at Kumilla Victoria Government College last year. Right now, I am a student, honors first year, Department of Management at Kumilla Victoria Government College. And also, I am study at Raj English Care, which is one of the best English institution in all over the Bangladesh. Day by day, it's going well, but sometimes I feel frustrated. I feel disappointed because I think that I can do it. But when at that moment when our lovely teachers come and motivated us, and I believe myself that I can do it. Make mistakes proudly and learn from mistakes and don't give up. Try and try. My mother always said, don't frustrated, don't give up. I am always with you. This word give me energy to achieve my goal. Inshallah, one day I will be a full fluent speaker. Thank you all of you. Spend time with me and keep in your prayers. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.